Hello and welcome to VoltiTV's Volti News. The NIC-EIC has recently announced a series of TechTalks, which are exclusively available to its registered contractors. Held at some of the country's top sporting venues, TechTalk subjects include the 17th edition, periodic inspection reporting, and hot topics from the NIC-EIC Technical Helpline. TechTalks will be hosted by Tony Cable, star of NIC-EIC's successful range of DVDs. To find out more, including dates and venues, check out October's Volti News 1 or call the NIC-EIC to book now. The Langage Power Station, which is the UK's first major power station to be built in over 5 years, has been equipped with Prysmian's new generation FP Plus cable. 15,000 meters of FP Plus cable was supplied and installed throughout the fire alarm system. This £400 million gas-fired plant will power more than 1 million homes and is due to open in early 2009. It is also billed as one of the cleanest and most efficient power stations in the world. To find out more about the plant and why Prysmian's FP Plus cables were their #1 choice, check out the article in October's Volti News 1. Want to find out more about pressing electrical industry issues from some of the biggest names in the industry? With the success of last year, Voltimum has once again joined forces with Interbuild to create a dedicated centre for the electrical industry. Found in Hall 4, stand VA146, the Voltimum Centre will have 6 leading manufacturers conducting helpful seminars throughout each day. Voltimum's Big 6 include LK, Legrand, Nexans, Osram, Ventaxia, and Weidmuller. Be sure to download your free handy seminar program found on the Voltimum website and in October's Volti News 1. Now let's find out what October's Volti Bulletin is about. Chatting with us from Brighton is Volti Bulletin editor James Hunt. James, what can users expect to read about this month?
Hi Frankie. In the October Volti Bulletin, we look into the recently introduced fire safety order. This will include the auto testing of emergency lighting units, a new BS published in July, as well as compensation through the use of modern technologies using self-test systems.
Thanks, James. The ECA have recently announced their 2007 accident figures. These impressive statistics highlight the success of ECA's groundbreaking zero accident potential in halving the number of accidents in over the last 6 years. Since its launch in 2001, the ECA ZAP initiative has encouraged and helped member firms to implement effective safety measurements. For more information on the ZAP initiative and the ECA's accident figures, contact the ECA. That's all for this edition of VoltiTV's Volti News. We'll see you next time.